Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing and testing one of the smallest wireless mics out there, the Amaran Tag. I'll be pairing with the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Sony ZV-E10 II. No apps, no fuse, just straight plug and play.
To say no communication, lost in translation. A joker got his hands to you, creeping in your back door, knocking on your window. Hopefully my love shines through. Everybody's got something to say. Everybody's got something to say. I can see the light in every ounce of you. I can see the light in everything we do. I can see the light in every open door. I can see the light I'm waiting for. Neon lights are blinking, a slip between the sink and a phoenix tangled up.
Let's check what's inside the box. You get the mic, the charging case, windshield, a USB-C to USB-C adapter, and a clip. The design is super minimal. Just pick it up and start recording.
Everybody's got something to say. But I can see the light in every ounce of you. I can see the light in everything we do. I can see the light in every open door. I can see the light I'm waiting for. I can see the light in every ounce of you. I can see the light in everything we do.
This is the sound quality of the iPhone 15 Pro Max without external microphone. So again, this is the microphone direct from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's try with the Amaran Tag. I'm plugging the Amaran Tag receiver directly to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Thanks to USB-C, no adapters or apps are needed. Just plug in, open your camera of your video app, and you're ready to record. 1, 2, 3. So guys, I switched to iPhone 15 Pro Max. So again, this is the sound quality of the new Amaran Tag. And again, I'm using the iPhone 15 Pro Max with the USB-C type direct from the Amaran Tag receiver. So again, this is the sound quality of the Amaran Tag to our iPhone 15 Pro Max. So again, let's do a more quick test and for this new Amaran Tag. And again, I am using the noise cancellation with this video clip. So again, for the last time, this is the sound quality of the new Amaran Tag. Now I'm switching over the Sony ZV-E10 II. You just plug the receiver into USB-C port or use the 3.5mm jack adapter depending on your setup, and you're good to go.
I can see the light in everything we do. I can see the light in every open door. I can see the light I'm waiting for.
So guys, this is the sound quality of the Amaran Tag. So this is the Amaran Tag. I have one of the transmitter or the microphone. So again, this is wireless duo microphone. You have already USB-C connected direct from the transmitter or receiver. Sorry, so receiver. And again, you have also TRS. So you can use for your camera, mirrorless or DSLR. So for example, now we have the Sony ZV-E10 II connected the Amaran Tag receiver, and I use also the noise reduction. So you have three choices of noise reduction, maybe medium, high, or something, but you can set from the Amaran Tag the noise reduction. So again, this is the sound quality of the Amaran Tag. Here's a quick breakdown. For the pros, super compact and lightweight, direct plug and play with both iPhone and Sony cameras, and even DSLR or mirrorless cameras. No app required. Audio is surprisingly clean for the size. For the cons, no multi-mic support yet. Battery life could be longer for full day shots.
And every open door, I can see the light waiting for.
So, is the Amaran Tag worth picking up? For vloggers and content creators who want fast, no hassle audio in the tiny form factor, absolutely, it's a perfect for quick shots, reels, or vlogging on to go. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more gear reviews coming soon. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.
But I can